What is unique about the Biological Weapons Convention? Imagine a world where the threat of deadly germs and toxins is completely banned. That's what makes the Biological Weapons Convention stand out. It was the first treaty to ban an entire category of weapons of mass destruction. Unlike earlier agreements that only said you could not use biological weapons, this treaty stops countries from developing, making, stockpiling, or transferring them at all. It sets a broad legal rule that biological and toxin weapons are not acceptable. The treaty came into force in 1975 and has almost every country on board. This wide participation shows how strongly the world agrees that biological weapons are dangerous and morally wrong. The Biological Weapons Convention is special because it covers more than just using biological weapons. It also bans their development and stockpiling. Countries must destroy any biological weapons they have and turn related facilities into peaceful research centers. This focus on prevention helps stop biological weapons from ever being used. It also supports existing rules in international humanitarian law, which aim to limit the methods and means of warfare to protect civilians and soldiers from unnecessary suffering. Another key feature is that the treaty recognizes the dual-use nature of biological research. It allows peaceful uses like medicine and scientific research, but strictly bans weapons intended for harm. This balance is important because biological science can save lives or cause harm, depending on how it is used. The treaty also has a system for reviewing progress and new challenges in bioscience. These review meetings help keep the treaty relevant as science advances. One challenge is that the Biological Weapons Convention does not have a formal way to check if countries are following the rules. This makes enforcement difficult. Still, the treaty remains a vital part of international efforts to prevent biological warfare. It aligns with the goals of international humanitarian law by banning weapons that could cause widespread disease and suffering. In times of conflict, this treaty helps protect civilians from the terrible effects of biological weapons, which can spread uncontrollably and cause mass harm. Overall, the Biological Weapons Convention is unique because it aims to eliminate an entire category of weapons that threaten human health and safety worldwide.